Transfer to thinkorSwim. Now, I don't suggest everybody do this. Obviously, Robinhood is very safe in terms of what they allow you to do and what they won't allow you to do. But let me show you exactly why I'm moving everything. Well, yeah, everything over for now. So go here. So I've already put $5,000 into my account. Let me show you something. Okay. So let's say I pick this 10-day option. We're at currently 42.65. I'm not going to go into big details, but let's say I want to do 39 strike. So I know I'm going to need $3,900. And then my estimate credit that I'll receive right now is $116. So as soon as I hit sell, I'll receive $116, and they will set aside my $3,900. Now, on the alternative, do the same thing, the April 10th, or no, we did April 17th. And 39. So same thing, one option, 39. Go to review. Here's the big difference. They're only going to hold 1,500. So essentially I'm doubling. Obviously it costs me more because they charge a commission here. So 65 cents. So I'll collect $115 and they will set aside 1,500. The thing is, I still have to have the $3,900, which I do obviously. So the same effect applies if, the underlying stock does close by April 17th under $39. I will still need to have I will still need to have the $3,900 to cover to buy the stock. The difference is I only have to set aside $1,500 right now. Well, $1,500 period. So essentially, even if I wanted to, which I'm not, I can double up. So now it costs me $3,000. But now I collect $230 and I get two options. Here, I need to have $7,800. And you see, it won't even allow me because I don't have $7,800 at least available in free open cash. So, not saying everybody should do this. I'm already doing it in the thinkorSwim account. I'm just going to start doing it on YouTube. So, slowly throughout the week, as soon as cash comes available, I'll be transferring it over to thinkorSwim, my original platform that I always do everything with. I just thought that I'll show everybody how to do it on Robinhood since it's a lot visually easier. But from here on out, I'm moving everything over. Still gonna act the same way, just have a little bit more, I guess, leeway. So that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you what I'll be doing and why I'm moving everything over. Again, I wouldn't suggest the average person do this, especially if you haven't even never did options, because this does allow you to get away with a lot more. But also that means the company thinks you know what you're doing, and if they see that over time it looks like you're not doing so well or you're messing up, they'll start doing things for you. You may wake up and be missing a big chunk of money out of your account, and that's because they probably closed it for you at a loss. So the bigger companies, the more professional companies, they will sell your options, your stocks if you messing up. That's the best way I can explain it. And that's because I am on margin. Even on here I'm on margin, but Robinhood doesn't allow you to really use options and margins together. They only let you buy stocks for the most part. thinkorSwim, they let you use it in the options, they let you use it in the stocks. So more flexibility, but also they have to trust you more. So I've had this account open for a decade already, so I got a lot of trades in my account, so they pretty much already gave me my free leeway. But if I was to start messing up, then one, they'll probably email me first before they just start closing out stuff, or they'll open up a chat support to get my attention before they start closing out stuff. But even if I start messing up, they will start closing out things. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. Obviously the market's dropping today because it's D-Day, quote unquote. Apparently, you know, the whole situation with what Donald Trump's supposed to be doing with Iran and their power supply. So I haven't made any plays since the last ones. And since I do have this up, I'll show you what that's looking like real time. So today, like I said, the market's dropping, and today's Tuesday, April 7th. So weekly, monthly, and then when I started this account, even if I go to all, it's still the same. So as these options start to expire, and then I still got some stocks, so I'll sell these off as soon as, you know, it gets to an adequate level, and I'll just be moving things over to thinkorSwim. But not gonna rush it. Obviously, I like Robinhood still. I'll still use them a lot, especially for my other accounts that I have, and then I also use their banking too. But Charles Schwab also offers the same thing, so I'll be moving a lot of stuff over there regardless, and start using their bank as well. But that's it.